the takeaway on Yellen has been someone who is not just with a deep understanding of unemployment, but obviously someone who's willing to go a little bit bigger in terms of fiscal stimulus. I even saw a piece this morning, Jim, that argued that Biden's unlikely to replace Powell and give him a second term, which would extend clarity for markets, if you agree with that point of view.
Look, I think that Powell would be unbelievable. It'd be nice. Powell really is very much aligned with what Biden was doing. I mean, you could say even last week when Secretary Mnuchin pulled some of these programs, and I didn't think the programs were significant, but I do know that you have Chairman Powell just saying, listen, we're not done. We're not done. And until we get a stimulus package, we are going to stay on the side of caution. And so you have this kind of remarkable moment where you've got the Fed being loose. You've got a Treasury Secretary who's a very strong hand. We all know her. There's no surprise. And she was very well liked as Fed chair. And so then you start thinking, maybe it's going to be smooth. David, maybe it's going to be smooth.
Maybe it will. Maybe it will. And, I know those Robinhood traders, they love Yellen. They're very familiar with her work at the Council of Economic Advisors, even her earlier work, I think, Jim.
David, they love her like they love X-Ping.
The acoustic stuff.
Yes, exactly.
Well, they love X-Ping.
When she was unplugged, Carl. Yellen unplugged. Now, listen, she also, by the way, would be part of any decision when it came to a new Fed chair,
right.
If that was going to be the case. Everything I know indicates she's had a good working relationship with Powell when he was on the board and she was the chair. And generally, the markets, as we know yesterday, certainly quite happy with the prospect of a Yellen at Treasury. I mean, some say, well, whatever happened to getting somebody from the business, but that's not going to happen.
No.
That's just not going to happen.
I wonder, given the fact that she didn't at one point like the way the small cap biotechs were trading, I wonder how she would think about Lee, L.I.
That was a
and
staff
X-Ping.
member. You know it was a staff member.
I know. She got. Look,
member.
I love her. I mean, come on. I think Jay Powell's great. I think, look, if you like stocks, you got two great people. I mean, if you don't like stocks, you're fighting Lee. You're fighting Neo. You're fighting the red pill.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.